Ethan.
Good afternoon, John.
And we welcome you to Wahawk Talk this Wednesday, May 9th.
Friday, May 11th at 12:30 is the Senior Honors Assembly. All seniors and juniors will attend. Seniors will be dismissed to the auditorium right after 5th hour to find their seats in the middle sections, towards the front. Juniors will be dismissed at 12:25 to the auditorium and will sit behind the seniors in the middle sections.
Attention all students who will be 18 by November 6, 2018. There will be a voter registration drive following the Senior Honors Assembly on May 11th at the Auditorium foyer. Students need their driver's license number and the last four digits of their social security number to register. Get registered and become an active citizen.
Attention all 2018 and 19 Link Crew applicants. The date for the announcement of next year's Link Crew leaders is on May 11th. On the 11th, envelopes can be picked up in Mr. Cassidy's room after school. The first training date for next year's Link Crew will be Friday, May 18th in the afternoon.
Come see Once on This Island, the musical, in the auditorium at 7 p.m. Friday, May 18th, 2 p.m. or 7 p.m. Saturday, May 19th. Purchase tickets in the business office or at the door.
If you're looking for a fun, friendly, and family-oriented activity, the marching band will be holding auditions for the color guard at the end of the month. Rehearsals will be at May 21st, 22nd, and 24th from 3 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. in the upper gym, and the audition will be May 29th from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. There is no prior experience necessary. If you have any questions, see Mr. Kleinheinz in the band room.
The Boys Track and Field Banquet will be Thursday, May 24th at 5:45 p.m. in the Commons. Bring a side dish or a dessert to share and your own tableware. This is the last day to turn in uniforms without being charged.
Today's events: boys tennis at Cedar Falls, 9 a.m. Girls golf at Pheasant Ridge, 2:30 p.m.
Thanks for joining us, and we will see you next time.
Have a great day. Be West.